Hey, to add Google account into the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Now from this you have to scroll down and move into the Google. Now just wait for the loading screen. From this go into the all services, and now you have to actually select your account. So you have to click to manage your Google account. On this arrow, and click to add another account. Now you have to wait and input your screen lock method. And from this, all you have to do is just to input your email by using the keyboard for sure. And after this, you have to click next and input the password. And after this, you will actually add your account. And if you want to switch between the accounts, for example, by using the Google Play Store, just click here and then click on this arrow and switch between the accounts. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.